Good afternoon, class, and welcome to another session of Weight Loss with Wonder Woman. Now, I know we all know that six packs are made in the kitchen, but instead of thinking about what we eat, today's lesson will focus on what we drink, namely green tea. A recent study has shown that green tea can have a significant impact on weight loss.
Green tea? I don't buy it. How did they figure this out?
I'm glad you asked. Researchers performed a randomized double-blind study on a group of women to test the effect of green tea extract on weight loss.
Wonder Woman, a double-blind study? What does that even mean?
A double-blind study is a study where neither the researcher nor the participant is aware of whether they're receiving treatment versus a placebo. In this case, neither the researchers nor the participants knew who was given the green tea extract and who was given the placebo.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. I suppose that helps to eliminate bias in research results.
Exactly.
So who were the people that were included in the study?
That's an excellent question. 115 women were screened for inclusion at a clinic. To be included, you needed a body mass index greater than 72 kilograms per meter squared and a waist circumference greater than 80 centimeters, which is roughly 31.5 inches. So, of these 115 women, 102 were included in the study. These women were randomly selected to be either part of the experimental group, where they received a high dose of the green tea extract, or they were a part of the placebo group, where they were just given the placebo.
Very interesting. How long did this go on for?
The experiment lasted 12 weeks.
So, how did they measure progress? Did they just use a scale or something?
So in this experiment, measurements for progress fell into three categories. The first category were the anthropometric measurements, which consisted of the physical measurements of each individual, including weight, body mass index, and body fat percentage.
Oh, so like the stuff they check when we get a physical, right?
That's correct. The other two characteristics measured were your lipid panels and hormone peptides.
So Wonder Woman, what happened after the 12 weeks? What did the results show?
I'm glad you asked. So after the 12 weeks, all of the participants showed significant weight loss and a reduced waist circumference.
That's fantastic. What else did they find?
Participants also showed a decrease in total cholesterol, LDL plasma levels, and obesity-related hormone peptides.
What's LDL again?
LDL stands for low-density lipoproteins, which are a classification of lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are complexes of lipids and proteins. They are globular molecules, like my cells, that have a nonpolar core of triacylglycerols and cholesterol esters surrounded by an amphiphilic coating of protein, phospholipid, and cholesterol.
That's right. I've heard of them before. LDLs are synthesized to transport endogenous triacylglycerols and cholesterol from the liver to the tissues. LDL is known as bad cholesterol because having high levels can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries and result in heart disease and stroke.
That's right. Here's a picture of what they look like. In this picture, you can see that this LDL is spherical and consists of 1,500 cholesterol ester molecules with an amphiphilic coat made of approximately 800 phospholipid molecules, 500 cholesterol molecules, and a single molecule of apolipoprotein B100.
Wow, I get it now. Thanks. Did you find anything else?
Yes, they did. Participants who were given a green tea extract also showed lower levels of ghrelin.
Ghrelin? What's that again? Oh, I know what that is. Ghrelin is a peptide secreted from the stomach that stimulates appetite. It works by boosting levels of neuropeptide Y, a 36 residue peptide released by the hypothalamus, stimulating our appetite, which in turn leads to fat accumulation. Scientists think that ghrelin most likely is part of a short-term appetite control system, since ghrelin levels fluctuate, increasing before meals and decreasing immediately afterward. Wow, this green tea extract sounds really great.
It really is. Participants who were given the green tea extract also had elevated levels of adiponectin. Adiponectin is a 247 residue protein hormone that helps regulate energy, homeostasis, and glucose and lipid metabolism by controlling AMPK activity. Its monomers consist of an N-terminal collagen-like domain and a C-terminal globular domain. It is encoded by the ADPI-POQ gene involved in regulating glucose levels and fatty acid breakdown.
This will get me beach ready very quickly.
Yes, it's an excellent way in controlling your appetite. It's even thought that the magical properties of green tea extract can be partly related to ghrelin secretion by being inhibited, leading to an increased adiponectin levels, promoting fatty acid breakdown, and regulating your glucose levels. Make sure you go out and get your daily dose of green tea, everyone. So, this concludes this week's seminar, Weight Loss with Wonder Woman. Hope you all have enjoyed today's talk about the weight loss effects of green tea extract. Be sure to come back next week for next week's seminar, where the topic will be liposuction, friend or foe. Thanks for coming, everybody.
Bye-bye.